See dreams come alive in unity, on a stage where vision ignites infinite possibilities. A determined team embarks on a journey to reshape our world. Their mission is simple yet profound: harness the power of collaboration to build a super internet highway that connects hearts and minds every night and every day. They push boundaries with relentless creativity, fueled by passion and the belief that together, even the wildest dreams are within reach, facing challenges that test their resolve. These pioneers transform obstacles into stepping stones. Through shared grit and unwavering commitment, they rewrite the rules of innovation, embracing every trial as a chance to grow. Their unity echoes the timeless truth that alone we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. With every late night and every breakthrough, they weave a tapestry of progress, built on love, trust, and a collective heartbeat. As the digital highway unfolds before our eyes, the palpable energy of their accomplishment sparkles like rays of light cutting through darkness. Their journey reminds us that real success is founded on teamwork, a symphony of individual strengths joined in one powerful purpose. They carry the future in their hands, igniting shockwaves across industries and inspiring generations of dreamers to strive for more. Together, they prove that resilience, unity, and innovation overcome any storm. Their legacy is not just a dream realized, but the start of a revolution in how we connect and create. Stand tall, forge ahead, and embrace the promise of tomorrow. Join us in celebrating the power of teamwork and innovation. Rise with us, ready to ride the super internet highway. Founders and affiliates, we are entering a no-brainer era of clear purpose and boundless vision. Today marks the beginning of a transformative journey where every challenge blooms into an opportunity. Mr. Mufareh has charted a course fueled by unwavering positivity and a deep commitment to innovation. His visionary leadership lights our path as we advance together. Our technology team works tirelessly around the clock, uniting in a single language: love. They overcome obstacles with creative brilliance and relentless dedication, turning trials into triumphs at every turn. Riding the super internet highway, only the positive and inspired. Join our exclusive journey, pushing boundaries and redefining what is possible. Each moment pulses with the energy of innovation and unity. When others rest, our geniuses build dreams into reality, reinforcing a future that thrills and inspires. The law of the universe is clear. Unity and love conquer all challenges. Stand with us in this revolutionary assembly line of destiny. Embrace the spark that ignites change. Join ONPASSIVE's journey toward a transformative future in business solutions. Together, our unstoppable passion and skill will shape tomorrow's world. Embrace this moment and let innovation elevate us all. Founders and affiliates, are you ready for waves of shock?